I just made this lavender and lemon balm infused oil a couple of months ago, and it is now time to use it. So here is how I'm going to use it. Lavender and lemon balm infused oil combines the beneficial properties of both lavender and lemon balm into a wonderful moisturizing herbal oil that has so many benefits and uses as well that we're going to discuss in today's video. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. The first way I'm going to use this oil after straining is for skincare, because both herbs, lavender and lemon balm, can be very moisturizing for the skin. So both of these herbs possess soothing properties that can help to hydrate and nourish the skin, making it a wonderful oil suitable for my skin type, which is dry and irritated skin. The second use is for relaxation and stress relief. Because lavender is well known for its calming and relaxation properties, lemon balm also works wonderfully because it has mild sedative effects. So using the infused oil that contains both of these herbs in aromatherapy or in massage, for example, will promote relaxation, reduce stress, and induce a sense of calm. Alternatively, also, you could make a salve using this oil. Just simply put it in a double boiler and add a few tablespoons of the beeswax, let it infuse, and then within about 5 to 10 minutes you have the oil ready. Just put it in the fridge or in the freezer and it will harden, and you could use it as a wonderful ointment or salve. The third benefit is for promoting sleep, because the combination of lavender and lemon balm can be particularly beneficial for helping with bettering sleep. Massaging the oil onto the skin before bedtime is a wonderful time to use it. You can also add a few tablespoons to a warm bath. This will really help to create a soothing bedtime ritual and improve sleep quality as well. Another way to use it is for muscle relaxation. It could be used as a massage oil to help relieve muscle tension as well as soreness, so it's perfect for after exercise. The relaxing properties of both lavender and lemon balm will really help to ease the muscle stiffness and promote relaxation after physical activity or periods of stress. Do you know that this wonderful oil can also be used as an oil for headache relief as well? Lavender infused oil is often used to help with headaches, migraines, because of its analgesic and calming properties. Combining it with the lemon balm really gives it a punch here, because it enhances its effectiveness in providing headache relief when applied topically to the temples or neck area. Also wonderful for skin healing and cell regeneration, because lavender and lemon balm both have antiseptic and antimicrobial properties that can help in the healing of minor cuts, wounds, and insect bites. Just make sure you don't apply it on an open wound, and apply the infused oil to the affected area will help with promoting faster healing. You could also give it a little bit of a kick here and help it out with maximizing the healing properties by adding a drop or two of vitamin E oil to the mixture and then applying it to the affected area. Really amazing for mood enhancement as well, because of the pleasant aroma of lavender as well as lemon balm. It really helps to uplift the mood. Diffuse the infused oil in a room or add a few drops to a personal inhaler. Now, it depends on the strength of the aroma here. It can really help to create a positive atmosphere and improve overall mood. And lastly is my favorite, is using it as an insect repellent, because lemon balm is known for its natural insect repelling properties. Using lavender and lemon balm infused oil here as a topical repellent may help to deter mosquitoes and other insects, providing a wonderful natural protection during outdoor activities. And I can't wait to try this oil this summertime. I'll let you know, because we have a big problem here in Finland when it comes to mosquitoes during the summertime. So using this oil will be a wonderful experiment. Just remember, when using lavender and lemon balm infused oil, it's essential to perform a patch test first to ensure that you do not have any sensitivities or any allergic reactions. Just monitor the area for about 24 hours, and if you do not notice any sort of allergic symptoms, itching, redness, swelling, discontinue use. Additionally, all these herbs are safe, but it's always best to consult with your healthcare professional in order to get more customized, individualized advice. I'll see you in the next video.